Kaledi Keane College kabade kawene ki college ki belarim tam bat ki baningkong tam hakathan chite lamingi menta kahaban siu saupusan lakting ka shaka Shillong Cantonment Board namar bakane ka college kahab haka Jaka Cantonment. Halor ka niu menteri katrar puli puthi jo ka Sorkar jillau balak men Rymbui uloong baka Sorkar kan Shim Khia bakane ka college kanum sha apanthun hakinu kinu ki benta jong ka jingtrei kam.
We got information, but formally, the governing body of the Keane College, to the best of my knowledge, have not informed the state government. But on a personal front, I have talked with the principal of the Keane College yesterday and inquired about how it started and why this issue, and he has explained to me that this is the first time that this type of thing happened, and to the best of their knowledge that the Keane College, which established more than 100 years back, since 1934 if I'm not mistaken, that pre-cantonment era, and they have all the record that prove that they are not in the cantonment area. But having said that, I think in the next 2-3 days, the present principal and the previous principal of the college, they will sit, and the governing body, they will sit, and necessary step to be taken, they will take, and we from the government, we will do everything to ensure that the Keane College, the prestigious college in the state of Malacca, will be function without pressure from anybody.